Hello friends, welcome to my channel Girl End Up Crochet. This is the second part of baby girl top. This is the summer top. For this one I have used cotton 4-ply summer yarn. This one I have made for my 2-year-old daughter. So guys, please do like, share and do subscribe my channel to get the new video notification. Okay, so now we'll start. On the first part I have shown you how I am doing that granny square. Now here I have made total 8 square. Now I am showing you how I join these 2 square. Here you can see that corner one I am taking, and on that red square I am taking that front loop, that one, and on the second square I am taking the back loop. So here you can see. So at first I am taking that loop, means the thread. Here I have done that slip knot. Now on the red one I am taking that front loop, and on the blue one I am taking that back loop. Now you pull the yarn through the 2 loops, means both loops. Like that you can pull it. Like that I am doing. Here I have another one video where I have fully described how to join that square. So I'll give the link on the description below. You guys please see. You can see first loop from that red one, second loop from the blue one, and pull the yarn through both loops. Okay, here I want to tell you one thing. If you want to make this for elder one, so you have to increase the number of the square. Means I have done this 2 row, so in that case you have to make this 4th up to 4th, 3rd, 4th. Okay, so in that case also you can increase the square. Okay, increase the square means the size of the square, or you can add 1 double crochet row. Okay, as per your choice. So like that I am doing the rest of the things. You can see. So here you can see how it is look like. It is perfectly joined, these two. Now we'll join that other things also. Here you can see how this red 2, and in between I am join this blue one. Here I'll join that blue square. Okay, so we'll come back after joining. So this one is the back one. I already joined. It will look like this. Okay, so on side I am joining another blue square. So we'll come back after joining all the squares. Okay, so here you can see I have joined all the squares, and I have completed actually full the top. So all the square I have joined, and then after joining with that pink color I have made this first row. How you can see pink, then green. Okay, so at first pink one, how I have made, from that corner I have started. On each gap I have made 2 double crochet. As you can see, on each gap I have made 2 double crochet. Then in the corner here I have made 2 double crochet, as I have skipped that corner. Okay, then again that the same process I have done. Okay, at both side I have done the same, and the top and bottom, that both side also I have done. Top and bottom also I have done the same thing. At first pink one, then green one. Now with the green one I have done single crochet. On each gap I have made 2 single crochet. The 2 single crochet. And corner also here 1 single crochet, then again on each gap 2 single crochet. That bottom also I have done the same one. Back side also. Okay, now that strap, what I have done, from the front one I have done around 45 chains at first. Then on each chain I have done 1 half double crochet. Okay, here you can see this is the extra one, because I have planned, and now my daughter is only 2 years, then she can wear this up to 3 years. And that other side I can join this with the needle. Okay, now in bottom, that I have got around 6 colors. 6 colors yarn I have used. I have cut it, and with the needle I have done this. This one I am showing you how I have done. Okay, so you can see that 2 yarn I had used, and like that the tail of the yarn I have tied up like this. Okay, this is not that much of hard things, it is very easy, but time taking. Okay, so it will take too much time to finish this. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you will like this, and please do subscribe my channel.